Kitties, but instead of the baby ones, we are unboxing the first Lost Kitties. And it says that there is 36 to collect in 2018, but it's 2020, so there's probably like lots of them, like 50 of them. Anyway, guess where I found these at? Dollar Tree. That's right, Dollar Tree. So whenever you're like early and they restock, they're gonna get surprises in Dollar Tree, I think. And I saw this. Wow. And that's where I found Moj too. So now we can unbox these. So these are also made by the creators of Littlest Pet Shop. And I think it's so good. So let's unbox. Finally. So it's like a milk carton here. So I'm going to open it like a milk carton. Ooh, so cute. Open it this side. Or we can just open it like this side. I'm so excited. There's also another one right here. I've heard that there's a compound in this. Ooh, this one kind of looks like sand. So there's a collector's guide right here, which we'll see in a bit. So let's peel. This is so cool. Ooh. So it's like, I don't know what it is. It's like probably like a splatter. It's so cool though. Let's see what we get. So it's like a Play-Doh thing actually. It's super satisfying. I'll move this so I don't get it all messed up. Even though it's a notebook. Ooh. Get some more. I think I see a surprise. I found the bag. The only question is, who is hiding inside? Let's get the bag out. It's covered in this poop. I'll call it sand because it's more like a sand color. This here. I have scissors right here because everyone needs to stay prepared. Let's see what we got. Oh, this guy is so funny and cute. He's blue. And he's bigger than the baby ones. And you can just stand him up like that. How cute. Now we can see which one did we get from the collector's guide. So it's blue. Right here. He's probably not on this side. Oh, there he is. His name is Chicky. And let's see if it's rare or not. It's like a gold color, like, see? Right here. So it's a gold color next to it. Let's try to find the guide. So it says, who did you find hiding inside? But I can't find what it means. It's probably, what do you think it is? So this is kind of like slime. I'll be reviewing this actually because there is a compound inside. There's some more in here. Oh, because it was a milk carton, we should call this chocolate milk too. Get some more. There's some more things inside? I completely forgot. It's actually this shell, so it's probably sand. So cool. Not that sure what it's for, but here's the shell. You can see all the details. It it's not a stand, so he can just rest in his sand. Let's get some sand out. And then we can review it soon. There's also a sticker inside, so stay tuned to find out what the sticker is. And what else did I find? A pizza! It's a blue one. Let's see some more. I don't think there were any pizza things in the last one, so this is so convenient. Let's see what it is. So it's still covered in here, so we don't know exactly what it is. Even though my hands are messy, I still want to look, see what it is. Okay. So, I recommend washing your hands, but I'm just gonna get the sticker out. Seen it, seen it, seen it. It's probably like a lazy cat. Anyway, let's have some fun. But first, we can review it. I'm reviewing this. Probably an 8 out of 10. This is just a bit too sticky. Just a bit sticky, actually, not too sticky. But overall, it's so cute. Now let's create a little scene. It's gonna be like sand. That there. We have a seashell. And of course, why not have a pizza in the sand? I mean, like, don't eat that pizza if it's in the sand. It has lots of bacteria on it. Okay, thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to subscribe to be this unicorn, and you can ride it. Anyway, don't forget to subscribe and like this video if you want more unboxing and Lost Kitties. Love you all. Goodbye. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and goodbye.